Olsson here. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Google AdSense on WordPress on your WordPress blog. It's free to sign up for a AdSense account. You just need a free Gmail account, otherwise you can't use it and get paid. And Google AdSense is a way of getting recurring payments, but this page is written in Swedish. Sorry about that, but when we log into my account you will see that it's all in English. So here we have a button to have an AdSense account. It will say get started, or if you already have an account you just click on login, and I'm going to log into my account now. When we are logged into Google AdSense, we click on sites to the left here. You click on the blue button, add site, and you put in the URL for your site or blog. And then you click on save and continue. And here's a code you enter to be able to show ads, but I'm going to show you a way where you don't have to use any code or anything like that. Quite easy. So here I'm using the Divi Builder within Flux Plus, and I'm going to show you how you can enter your AdSense code now by marking an area on the page, and you click on this little wheel here for settings. Then we go to advanced, then custom CSS, and where you want to have it, before on the top of the page or in the main element or after. You can choose, and you put in the code where you want it. And I pasted the code in, as you can see. Then you just click on the green button here to confirm, save. When that is done, we click on this blue button at AdSense site and request review. And get notified if you approved or not. It can take several days, a few days, but 2 weeks more. So have a bit of patience. When you want to set up ads, when you activate it or approved, you just click there and you can choose different settings. So that is pretty much how to easily set up Google AdSense. Now there is another way if you don't use Divi Builder or Elementor or a builder like that, and that is to install a free plugin called Google Sitekit. You can search it among your plugins, or if you can't find it there, you have to search it to download a free zip file and upload it to your blog. Make sure you upload the file still in zip file, and then you follow the steps. I'm not gonna do a detailed tutorial on that, but this was how to easily. Here I've done a search for it, so you can go to, for instance, this URL sitekit.withgoogle.com to download the free plugin. But would you be interested in having a WordPress blog with all the plugins you need, and also having a website attached to that blog? You can create multiple sites and blogs. You can create membership site, e-commerce site, or whatever you want, and get started free. Then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.